Hi guys, today I'm here in the Sunset Town. This is after 2 years after developing, lot of developing happening here, and I came to 2025 in February, and I'm gonna show you around the places, what are the new things are ongoing here. It's like new fire show event happening, and then water show event happening over here, and it's more almost like every evening, like most of the if you are traveling with your family, and this is the I think best place to in Phu Quoc, like you can travel here. So you can see this behind me. So this is the called Hilton La Pesta. It's a newly opened hotel in Phu Quoc, under Hilton brand of the Sun Group. And this is also recently opened like a water show, like all the events are happening over here. And then plus you can see all the water shows like a slam jet ski, and then fire show every day in the evening. It's all there. And then now I'm almost here, like around 5 p.m. It's sunset on the way. You can see still sunset over here. If you are I'm still here. Let's see how long I'm gonna stay here. So this is the Hilton La Vesta. It's a Curio Collection hotel, and this is the place normally everybody staying here, like see the sunset and see this beautiful view over here. I'm gonna show you a bit scan because a lot of people are taking picture over here. Not sure it is available or not. So this is the place called the Kissing Beach over here. This is the place happening all the fire show and all the events around here. Like if you are in the evening 9:30 the second show, first show around 8 o'clock. So now you can see the jet ski show around happening here. Like they starting jet ski show here. So I have already uploaded earlier one video regarding this water show, everything, and later on you can see all of them. So I'm gonna take you around the bike ride, and you can see all the things are ongoing around here. So this is the place look like. So it is the newly opened like water shows plus everything ongoing. Yeah, after I think like 2 years, is a lot of development and a lot of people around here. When I was due to COVID here 2021, like totally dead, like it's like nobody here. So this is normal, right? Because due to pandemic, now it's much better than before, and then a lot of people around here. Just happy to see that a lot of development tourists are ongoing. So that's why I'm gonna show you a little bit around to see the peoples, and then a lot of ongoing. This is how people are going by the like a buggy or tuk-tuk. So I'm gonna take my bike still and a little bit show you around. So pass by the Hilton La Vesta, and then going to the Kissing Beach show area. So this is the Hilton La Vesta we passing by, and it's a beautiful hotel, but again this place so many competitors, like many hotels and many things around here, so that's why it's like less people around here. But then if you go to the cable car area, you can see a lot of people around there, and then a lot of Korean guests, Russian guests mostly these days, like they are traveling around here because there's a direct flight to Phu Quoc and then to Korea. So this is the Phu Quoc house. Like, they made the beer here, and the newly opened. So from this place, you will see all the cable car and everything over here. The restaurant. This is the car you can rent, like if you want to go around here. This is the car you can use to travel around here. So many restaurants around here, like spa and then coffee shops. Many things are there open newly. This is the mostly the people taking picture location. I see many people taking picture around here. It's nice. See many restaurants and many coffee shops over here too. And over there, the cable car, the people check-in area. So I'm gonna show you that area too. So this is the place mostly the people check into cable car and this area, and all the big buses like a group checking over here. Once they check in and they go to the inside and then directly to the cable car, because like a pre-booking all the cable car, you can come here. Sunset Contry. This is the clock tower here, and it's look really sunny day. If you want to rent the motorbike, this is the places, many places available motorbikes you can rent around here. Look at this color of the restaurants, like in many hotels. It's not expensive, like normally around $50 to $100 you can, even less. Let me, I think around $30 to $80 you can find a good restaurant. So this is the clock tower here. So this is also La Pesta lobby, guest check-in area. This place. This is called the green color building in front of me. That's called Sun Signature Gallery. It's like a biggest ballroom around here. And this one, most of the people are taking picture around here, like the walking distance. Plus, they are taking all the photos, video. This area, like all the social media, TikTok. Nice area, place looks like the hill very well. People are waiting for the show now. As I mentioned, the water show. This is the ballroom entrance area, and this is the Vietnamese restaurants plus all the mini spa. All the mini shops around here. You can see all the things over here. Lantern shop, like it's like a Vietnamese traditional bún chả over there. And over here also you can see this area mostly not crowded yet, because some of the places people are buy already long time ago and it's still inside, not yet finished, like only shell there. But down to 3 lines almost ready. They have already built everything, shopped everything, because most of the crowded on that area only. This area mostly like apartment renting, and people travel around here. Again, I come back to the same road here. So I'm going to show you a little bit down. That's apartments at big buildings. That also I mistake currently now, almost 1 month there. Like it's cost per day around 700 Vietnam dong. It's like a $35 per night apartment only. one bedroom apartments. So this is the down of the Ronam on the way, this way, when we go to Ronam. This is that I call brew house. Like some weddings on going here, like photo shoots. Looks nice. They're gonna take the good sunset over here and couple here. They're gonna take some wedding shots. And what else here? Taking pictures. So this is also on the road, like it's called, I think, what's it called name, let me find the, I think, Roma line. They have a different road names over here, like a different line. So this shop's almost open both roadside, like a front and back, they can use for all sides. So it's mean like whoever go down, whoever go in upside, then they can get that customer, all of them. This is a good thing also, I see. And this is also kind of coffee shop, restaurant around here. This is like people taking videos, photos around here. Cycling over here. So I came that way and I'm gonna go down. So go to the if this is still open, night market, I think almost now open there. These are the places I almost stay here like 5 years. I used to work in Phu Quoc. That's why I am very much interested into this area, because I don't feel like any feel like boring around here, because many things are ongoing, like energy, this sunny weather and beach. Feel like you want to every day give some energy to work, and then every day something ongoing. So just make feel like you are really energy. So that's why I really love to be here always when I'm coming, even now holiday. I stay here. Yeah. Those are the places. There we go. I think Ilan, I think maybe here. She's get ready now, because we're gonna go now after this one to market.